So you landed on this deal because you want to learn more about the 7K Metals Health Plan and how you can take advantage of it. Well, I'm going to let you know how. Let's go.
Yeah.
Hey, how you doing? My name is Kawan Money Mayo, successful online entrepreneur, six-figure earner, top of in multiple companies. And today, I'm going to show you how you can get healthcare through 7K Metals. So another benefit in joining 7K Metals, if you don't already know the obvious ones of being able to collect silver and gold and be able to put away precious metals and secure your financial situation and future is, the number one benefit of joining 7K Metals. But I don't know if you know, you can also have access to the healthcare plan, which is astronomical. So let's just dive right in and show you exactly what you get with this 7K healthcare plan. All right. So with the 7K health plan, it's not your typical healthcare coverage. First of all, the 7K Metals healthcare plan is a partially self-funded healthcare coverage program regulated by the ERISA, which is federal law and sets the standards for over 60% of the employers' established healthcare plans in private and the public sector industry. So imagine zero deductible, first dollar coverage, no medical underwriting, no pre-existing condition exclusions, ACA mandated coverage, and more. Plus nationwide preferred provider networks that includes over 4,000 primary hospitals and most licensed board certified physicians. The 7K Metals healthcare plans offer zero deductible coverage with the flexibility, affordability, and usability so you can now effectively manage your healthcare. You purchase the amount of coverage that you believe best fits your needs and lifestyle. The 7K Metals healthcare plan is not for everyone. If your annual coverage needs are expected to exceed the 7K Metals health plan annual coverage limits, you should definitely consider additional industry available options. You can purchase the amount of coverage that you believe best fits your needs and lifestyle. So for 7K Metal distributors, there are two programs. The 7K Health Plan, which offers 3 comprehensive plans to cover individuals and families, or the Alliance for the Shared Health, which is the ASH plan, offered through free market administrators, no FMA. Has a catastrophic plan level to choose from $150,000 maximum, $250,000 annual, to a maximum of $500,000 annual maximum, which should be more than enough to cover you. So we're going to review these plans in detail so you can kind of actually see exactly what you're getting. So let's go over the plans and compare. And I hope you caught that part where it says no pre-existing condition exclusion. So this is plan A, okay? And as you see, it's a good plan, it has deductible individual family. So it's a basic benefits right here, okay? This is a basic plan. Unlimited in-office doctor visits for acute and chronic care, unlimited urgent care visits, okay? Virtual consults, zero visit fee. In-office visits is only $10. Urgent care visits is $25. Okay. You got your primary care office visits, non-healthcare visits, and internal medicine, family practice, pediatrician, and OBGYN office and other outpatient services. Okay. This one's subject to co-insurance. Special care, subject to co-insurance. You got prescription drugs, generic and brand, and you get 500 maximum on any prescriptions a month. Inpatient, outpatient hospital. Inpatient, outpatient limited to 30 days visits. Chiropractic care limited to spinal adjustments. Medical imaging, x-ray, emergency room and ambulance, urgent care facility, durable medical equipment, preventative care services and minimum essential coverage. Adult, women, children, immunization screenings and services. Okay, preventative care coverage paid at 100%. So all these right here paid at 100%. You got keratin, dental, and vision discounted benefits. So dental and vision is included. Now you got these extra enhanced benefits. Okay, extra inpatient hospital and outpatient surgery and professional services. So this excludes outpatient drugs, kidney dialysis, chemotherapy, and all other infusion therapy. Okay, so those are more, major. Okay, annual maximum benefits covered and waiting period. You also have basic and extra enhanced benefit summary, which is annual out-of-pocket maximum of $5,000 individual and $10,000 for a family. You have a copay of 50% of the $10,000 or out-of-pocket network coverage. You can see more in the within the plan to get that. Or we have the plan B, which is the annual maximum benefit, which is individual $20,000, family $40,000, and the basic benefits. And the base plan of this one is healthcare to you, direct primary care, unlimited virtual DPC and telehealth, unlimited in-office doctor visits for acute and chronic care, unlimited urgent care. Okay, and this one again is $0, $10, and $25. You have the same primary care for the internal medicine, medical practice, pediatrician, and OBGYN, just like the other plan. Right here, you got a prescription drug. You got 500 maximum, again, just like the other plan. Behavioral health, chronic care. So all these are pretty much still the same, just like the first one, right? So the only real major a change in benefit that I would see would come down here. We see down here for the extra enhancements, you get 50% off first 10,000, 80% off the next 10. Annual out of pocket 7,000 individual, 14,000 family, and 20,000 and 40,000 instead of the other one. And then you got Plan C right here, which is a annual maximum benefit free market administrators. So this is the basic benefits of this plan is very much everything else the same right here. Where you start noticing the differences, like I said, is when you start coming down here. Okay, so you can see right here significant differences from 20,000, 40,000, enhanced 25, 50,000 for a family. So this is where you kind of see the differences. The other thing that's real good about 7K insurance is the fact that not only can you get insurance for health, for individual, but you also have insurance for business. Okay, and the reason why this is nice because this is even if you're self-employed, right? So if you got your own home-based business or something like that, you're self-employed. Well, now you can actually offer, and another serious one is like if you got a nonprofit, because nonprofits can't get a lot of them have problems getting I think from the government won't approve healthcare, but with this you can actually get healthcare for as long as you have at least 2 employees. So you have 2 employees and now you can get healthcare. So 7K health group plans are not your typical healthcare coverage. 7 Health Group is partially self-funded, like I told you before. Okay, and stands for over 60% of the employees established healthcare plans in the private sector. So this is good for business credit. So this is real good to look into for your business healthcare plans. And if you want to offer your employees healthcare at a very great rate, then I would highly look into this and dig more deep into it. But again, this comes standard for all 7K members. When you become a 7K member, then this is one of the benefits, okay? And this is the reasons why I love it so much, because like I said, they just keep on giving, and and at the end of the day, all we are is really here to collect precious metals. So now these are just added benefits of collecting precious metals. And you always have to end with showing our documentation, beating conversation that we are the best of the best, because we have A rating with the Better Business Bureau. We've been in business for over 4 years. This will be our 5th year. And as you can see, we still are maintaining our A rating. We have over 36 customer reviews, 0 complaints. Let that sink in. 0 complaints. And almost a complete 5. Okay, we got 4.56, which is still a 5-star rating. So that's really unheard of to have that type of rating in 5 years. And you can have an A rating, but to have 0 complaints, not even a troll, not even a hater came in and has something bad to say, is huge and speaks volumes. Also, we are NGC certified. Okay, and this is a legitimate company that actually rates these coins, and and they're one of 3 of the best in the world, and that does this. So now you can come here, you can put in your serial numbers right here of the coin that you have, and you can look it up and see what the value of that coin is, see how many is in circulation, so forth and so on. So again, just something more to legitimize what 7K Mills is and what it has to offer. So if you like what you heard today, or if you can see the benefit definitely can see the benefit in getting some health care, especially during these times, uncertain times. We're dealing with a pandemic. And it's 2021 if you're watching this, and we're dealing with a pandemic, and it's very serious. And this is the reasons why, this imperative that you have, health insurance. That way, if something unfortunate would ever happen, you have to be one of the ones doing a GoFundMe or a dinner, a car wash, or hot plate, for sale in order to raise money to bury your loved ones. That's not the way to go. And as you can see right here, it says enroll a business with more than 2 employees in the group plan and get paid, because 7K Metals also, which is awesome, 7K Metals also actually gives you points for when you sign people up on these plans. So same thing with this one, healthcare choices. The worst is we want to make it easy, and we did that by partnering with one of the largest healthcare groups in America. 7K Health is an incredible option for an individual or family. The options provided with this partnership will give you back the control as an added member benefits. Points are awarded, non-qualifying points only, for each premium paid on a monthly basis. So 20 for family plans and 10 for individual plans. I mean, come on, how great is that? So now you're getting paid 20 points every time someone signs up, and you're getting paid 10 if it's an individual. So if somebody signs up their family for this healthcare, you're getting paid 20 points. If someone signs up as an individual, you're getting paid 10. And somebody signs up a group, you're getting paid points as well. So, I mean, how cool is that, right? So if you want to take advantage of this, you're ready to get started with 7K Metals, then you can definitely get started with me by hitting that link below, and that takes you to guidesmoney.co. That's .co, not .com, so be mindful of that. Also, if you got questions, I definitely have answers for you. Call me 619-306-9453. Love to answer any questions you may have. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel, and also do me a favor and hit the bell. That way you get notified when I do these videos, and you don't be missing out on some news that you could possibly use. I appreciate you. See you on the next video. Till then, have a blessed day.